today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily insert a chart into Google Sites, a great way to visually enhance your website with data. Whether you're creating a personal blog, a business site, or a portfolio, incorporating a chart can provide clarity and make your content more engaging. So let's dive into the steps together and get your chart up and running on Google Sites. First, you need to open Google Sites. If you're not familiar, Google Sites is a user-friendly platform that allows you to create websites without needing extensive coding knowledge. You can easily access it from your Google account, and if you're already logged in, it takes just a click to get started. Once you're on the Google Sites homepage, you'll see options to create a new site or open an existing one. Choose the site where you want to add your chart or start a new site if you prefer. Once you have your site open, it's time to insert your chart. To do this, look towards the top menu bar where you'll find an Insert option. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select the Chart option. By selecting Chart, you're telling Google Sites that you want to bring in a visual representation of your data. This is where the magic happens, as you can visually communicate numbers and statistics in a more digestible format for your audience. Now you need to locate the chart you wish to insert. This is important because it ensures that the correct data visualization appears on your site. Navigate to your Google Drive, where your chart is saved. If you worked on it in Google Sheets, you'll find it there. Once you've located it, click Insert, then go ahead and double-click on the chart. Google Sites will prompt you, confirm your choice by clicking Add. This process effectively links your chart to your site, embedding it seamlessly. And there you go. With just those few steps, navigating to Google Sites, selecting the Insert option, choosing your chart, and adding it, you have successfully enhanced your website with visual data. It's a simple yet powerful way to convey information and can significantly impact the way visitors engage with your content. As a quick final tip, consider the placement of your chart on your web page. It should complement the surrounding content and be positioned where visitors can easily view it. Remember that a well-placed chart grabs attention and reinforces the message you wish to convey. If at any point you decide to update or change your chart, it's as simple as repeating this process with a new visual. I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy the new dynamic touch to your Google Sites.